Morning, student of class 4th. Hope you are fine at home. Today I am going to start new chapter of your English literature book. So kindly open your book, chapter number 8 on page number 54. Chapter number 8, The Clever Merchant. मतलब एक चतुर चालाक मर्चेंट. ठीक है, ये स्टोरी है. आप लोग भी बहुत अच्छे से सुनिएगा और समझिएगा. और मैं इसको रीड कर रही हूँ. आप लोग भी अपनी पेंसिल पेन और पुट योर फिंगर ऑन योर बुक. ओके, इफ़ आपके पास पेंसिल नहीं है तो आप अपनी फिंगर रख के पढ़ सकते हो. ठीक है, मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. ओके. In a small town, there once lived a merchant. He was hardworking and clever. His business did well, and the people of village respected him because he was honest and kind. एक मर्चेंट था, वो स्मॉल टाउन में रहता था. वो बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग था और क्लेवर भी था. वो अपना बिजनेस करता था और जो पीपल थे विलेज के उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करते थे. क्यों रिस्पेक्ट करते थे? क्योंकि वो ऑनेस्ट था और हार्ड वर्किंग था और गुड नेचर का था. बहुत अच्छा था. There came a time when the merchant had to go out of the town to attend a wedding. He was a rich man and he had many money and gold jewelry. He knew that thieves might try and steal them from his home while he was away. In those days, there were no bank lockers where money and jewelries could be kept safe from thieves. The only way to keep them safe was to ask a friend to take care of them. The merchant went to his friend and said, "My friend, I am going to be away for a few days. I am going to attend a wedding in the next town. Please could you keep my money and jewelry for me till I return?" Sure, इसका फ्रेंड ने बोला. Sure, said his friend. I shall keep your things safe till you return. You are such a good friend. I can do anything for you. The merchant went away happily after leaving his money and valuable gold jewelries with his good friends. When the merchant returned, he went to his friend and asked him for the things he had left with him. He was surprised to see how sad his friend looked. "I am so sorry," said the man. "I promised to keep your money and jewelry safe for you, but something awful has happened." एक स्टोरी है मर्चेंट की. वो स्मॉल टाउन में रहता था और बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग था और क्लेवर भी था. उसने और पूरे गांव उसकी मदद करता था और वो रिस्पेक्ट भी पूरी गांव करता था कि ये बहुत अच्छा इंसान है. और सच में वो अच्छा इंसान था. उसको एक दिन बाहर जाना था. किसी काम के लिए वेडिंग थी, उसको वहाँ पे जाना था. उसने सोचा, मर्चेंट ने सोचा कि अब मैं अपनी सारी मनी ज्वेलरी सब कहाँ रखूँगा. अगर मैं साथ में लेके जाऊँगा मतलब लेके मैं जाऊँगा तो वो गुम हो जाएगा और मैं घर पे रखूँगा तो भी गुम, मतलब चोर उसका सामान ले लेंगे. उसने अपने एक फ्रेंड से बोला कि मेरे पास कुछ ज्वेलरीज और मनी है, आप मेरा रख लोगे? तो उसकी फ्रेंड ने कहा कि हाँ मैं रख लूँगा और उसने प्रॉमिस भी किया. जब वो वापस आता, वो हैप्पली मर्चेंट चला गया खुश होके कि मेरा मतलब मनी और गोल्ड सेफ है. जब वो वापस आया तो उसके दोस्त ने कहा कि सॉरी माय फ्रेंड, मैंने आपको जो प्रॉमिस किया था वो मैंने ब्रेक कर दिया। पता नहीं कैसे वो खराब, मतलब अब देखते हैं क्या हुआ है आगे। तो उसने सॉरी बोला कि इस गलती के लिए। When what has happened? उस मर्चेंट ने पूछा अपने दोस्त से what has happened? Asked the merchant. Did thief come to your house and steal my things? Oh no, my friend, said the cunning man. The rat eat them up. I am really sorry. The merchant looked at his friend for a moment and then said, "It does not matter, my friend. You are not to be blamed for this. The rat took them away without asking you. What could you do?" मर्चेंट ने बोला कि आप क्या कर सकते हो, उसने ले लिया। With that, the merchant turned to leave, and then stopped, turned and said to his friend, "Son, come with me. I shall buy some sweet for you." The merchant friend told his son to go with him. The greedy man wanted some sweets also. The merchant took the boy to the other friend's house and said, "Please do me a favor. My friend is trying to fool me. He has stolen my money and gold, and said the rat have eaten them. I want to teach him a lesson. Just keep the boy with you for some days and let no one know that he is here." उस मर्चेंट ने कहा कि मैं मतलब अपने फ्रेंड को एक सबक सिखाना चाहता हूँ, और वो मुझसे झूठ बोल रहा है कि मेरा सारा पैसा और ज्वेलरी किसी ने आके लेके चला गया। मैं भी उसे एक सबक सिखाना चाहता हूँ। उसने अपने फ्रेंड के बेटे को अपने दूसरे फ्रेंड के घर छोड़ दिया, और उसने बोला कि मैं मतलब इसको फूल बनाना चाहता हूँ और उसे सबक सिखाना चाहता हूँ। When the boy did not return, his father came to the merchant house to look for him. "Where is my son?" he said. "I have came to take him home with me." उसका फ्रेंड ने बोला कि मैं अपने साथ लेके जाना चाहता हूँ। "You son," said the merchant, "I am so sorry. I was coming home with him when some crows saw the sweet in the boy's hand. They flew down and stole away the boy and the sweet. What could I do? It was not my fault." The man got very angry. "Are you mad?" he shouted. "It is not possible for crow to carry away a boy." "Yes," said the merchant. "It is really strange. I thought so too, but then I thought about the rat eating my money and gold jewelry." मतलब चूहा पैसे खा गया और ज्वेलरी खा गया। "I realized that nothing is impossible. I am so sorry for you. The loss of a son is far greater than the loss of money and gold." The dishonest man fell at the feet of the merchant. वो मर्चेंट के पैर पे गिर गया। And said, "I am so sorry. I shall return you all the things you gave to me to keep safe for you. Please give me back my son. I cannot live without him." The merchant took the son, the man, to his friend's house and gave his son back to him. He got back his money and gold. He said, "A good friend does not lie and cheat. In fact, a good person is not dishonest without anyone ever." Remember that. कुछ भी आप लोग करते हो, अगर आप अच्छे हो तो आपको कभी भी कोई चीट नहीं कर सकता. अगर वो जो चीट करेगा उसको एक ना एक दिन सबक मिलेगा. ठीक है, आप लोग इसको अपनी कॉपी में या बुक में फिल कर लीजिए. ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग दिस वीडियो. टेक केयर. बाय.